SMCI stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video. First of all, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, called out 5, 10, 20x moves like this over the last 4 years. All of it has been documented thousands of times. And now observing SMCI, one thing that I must say is that this bullish idea has been here way back then. And I do have all the proof to back it up. For example, the video was made like 5 days ago, before anything happened, when the price was at 40 bucks. You can see it perfectly here. This was post-market. And then guess what happened? Now we're 53 cents, so $53.78. Ideally, you know, now regarding the gap up, I'm still genuinely looking for buys. Like, since it's the price is just broken, like new structure, this is a cool bullish range. But although I want to take the price up, what I'm not going to do is randomly start buying. It's, again, an ideal opportunity will be if the price comes down a tad bit and then gives me a shift. But other than that, everything else is nice, you know. So let me know what is your opinion on SMCI. If the rules are met, then and only then I'm going to take things up. If they're not, it's all cool. What I'll do in the meantime, though, is I'll just keep waiting. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.